Hello art friends, get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing Saki K from the Disastrous Life of Saki K. All right, here we go. So we're going to start by putting her little head things on. So we're going to start with just a little line, comes out, comes back in. 2 lines coming out for the ball to be on. There we go, there's one of them. Then we're gonna go across. This one's gonna come out like this, and then it's gonna come down, back over, up, not quite all the way, because then we have this little round thing, a letter C, 2 lines coming out, and then the ball on the end. All right, then we have a little zigzag here, and then a line coming straight down. There we go. All right, then we're gonna come in the middle here. We're gonna draw, well, you know what, let's draw this first. Okay, so we're gonna draw the top of her head. So she's got some little pieces that come out. And we're gonna come over a little bit more. There we go. And then we got some little zigzaggies coming down. And then on this side we have some little zigzaggies like that. All right, then in the front here, I'm gonna put some little zigzaggies. There we go. And then we have her glasses. So we're gonna start in the middle with 2 lines. They look like an equal sign. Then they're gonna come up and down, up and down at a diagonal. And we're gonna put repeating lines on the side. And then we're gonna draw across, and then we have the edges of the glasses that are just kind of diagonal lines, and then they've got a little rectangle on the side. So diagonal line comes back up, a little rectangle there. Then we have a curved, well, these have lines on the bottom, there we go. And then we have a curved line down on the bottom. Comes up. Then the top of her eye is kind of flat, and there's kind of a more thick line there. And then comes down, around, and it's flat on the bottom, and then it kind of curves around like so with a little bit of thickness on the side. And then her eyeballs are inside that. Looks like there's no pupils there. All right, then the same thing over here. It's kind of flat and thick on the top. Comes down, back around, flat on the bottom, and then curves back up with a little thickness there. There's her other eyeball. And then they got eyebrows. There we go. Looks pretty good. Then for the nose, it's just a little curved line, a little dot by it, and it's got some value in here. And then for the mouth, it's a curved line that kind of arches. Okay, then we have a line coming down from the glasses, pointy, back up to the hairline here. Okay. Then we got where the nose is here, we got a little earpiece coming up. Kind of matches up to her glasses. And the neck is usually kind of under the eyeball. Yep, it's under the eyeball in this one. And then we got a little bit of hair here. We got a little bit of hair here. Oh, we forgot the ear. Okay, here we go. And this one you see a little bit more of it because like her head's turned or his head's turned, whatever this is. We got some little ear pieces on the inside. And then this goes all the way back up. Then we have some hair that comes down. And maybe a little hair that comes down there. Pretty good. All right, then we got the shirt. So for the shirt, it's gonna come around back like this and down. And then it's gonna come around the face with a diagonal line. And then they got jacket on, so it's gonna come back and around to where this diagonal line is, and then it's gonna drop down, go diagonal, drop down, and then it's got like a thick black border on it, and then it's got a black border back there, and then we have a little drop there, and then there's the shoulder. Then on the rest here, we get a drop down and it repeats kind of what's on the outside. Diagonal, comes back up. And then we have go. And then this drops down. Comes around. Down. That's a thick line. I guess we'll drop that down. Okay, and then we got the shoulders. All right, there it is. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.